Okay, so in this short video, I'm going to run through the integration between Dynamics and Teams. We've obviously all become very reliant on Teams over the last year, in particular with the lockdown. So I just wanted to sort of do a quick demo of how they can work together. You can see here that we've got the Dynamics app, which, like all apps within Teams, you can pin or unpin as you see fit. But you can see once you've set up the actual integration, there's a link in the under this video and within my blog that sort of takes you to the Microsoft site that shows you how to do that. But once you've set the system up, it's very easy for users to use in particular. It's essentially like walking around Dynamics within Teams and just prevents you having to flick between the two systems. And you can use it in the usual way. So if you want to go off and create cases, you can do that. And it all integrates quite nicely. You can change the settings. So if you have different instances within Dynamics, you might have a training environment, a test environment. You're able to basically flick between those two, as well as different apps if you're using them. So that's the first part. And this is great for people who spend a lot of time in Dynamics. The other end of the scale, you have some people who potentially don't spend a lot of time in Dynamics but need to interact with some of the information within it, particularly around, for example, complaints. You'll have a team on the front line who use Dynamics a lot to create the complaint cases and then need to maybe get managers' input when it comes to escalation or just some sign off or just some general information about a case. So that's the next aspect we'll walk through. So within Dynamics, you can see here now I've gone off into Dynamics. If I go off onto my contacts, and we can see here we've got Peter Smith, and Peter's not happy, he's about to make a complaint. So we'll go off into his cases and create a new case. So we have that there. So the team member who takes the original call will do what they need to do, follow the appropriate guidelines and all that sort of thing when it comes to complaints. But there may come a point when you need to sort of work with others. So, for example, complaint about offence might involve someone from asset management, it might involve a manager, a variety of people. And sometimes it's good just to have that quick conversation about different aspects of the complaint. So what we can do in that instance is actually go off and check the collaborate button here within the case. Now what that does is it starts the link between Dynamics and Teams. I'm going to select my team that it relates to, and we can see we've already got a complaint that has been linked to a case elsewhere, but actually what I want to do is create a new one for Mr. Smith. So, and you can put whatever detail you need there. You can make the channel private if required, but we're just going to keep that open for now. You then have the option to add more members, so there'll be different times when only certain people are relevant to the complaint, and obviously for data protection you don't want to sort of open all complaints up to everyone. So here's where you decide who should join that particular channel, and we finish. Now what it's doing at the moment, it's setting up a new channel within Teams. Under my Dynamics integration team, we've got a now channel called Mr. Smith, and you can see it's pulled across that case we were working on. So from here you can start the conversation. Is this fence ours? And again, if there's other members of the team, you can mention them to get their input, and all that detail is kept here in the team channel. You can also use Dynamics within here as well, so you can carry on adding tasks, appointments, whatever you do to manage that particular case. But all the time you can have that conversation with others. Now what you can also do is add different tabs. So we have the usual posts. You'll see the conversation once it's started appears in your post screen. so you can carry on using it and as you would any Teams chat. You can add files, and we can go back into the actual complaint case. But if we need a bit more information, we can go off and add a tab, and we can actually add another Dynamics tab. So for example, what we may need to do is actually know a bit more detail about Peter. So we can actually bring across his contact record as well. So we can see now we've got Peter's contact record and we've got the case that it relates to. So again, from an escalation point of view, you might have managers who just need to flick between the two, get the detail, and then type in the appropriate response there. So it's quite a useful way to use the actual system. Now the great thing is, if you're actually sitting there within Teams, this can actually be used on the mobile device as well. So if you have Teams and you need to collaborate with this complaint about Mr. Smith, you can do that.